Thousands of Anambra across different religious and political affiliations have converged on Ukwu in Agwata local government area to bid farewell to Ezinne Josephine Osuokwu, mother of Basil Osuokwu, the chairman of the Board of Trustees of all Soludo support groups. The burial mass, which was presided over by the Catholic Bishop of Ekulobia Diocese, Peter Cardinal Obaleke, had in attendance bishops and members of the clergy of the Catholic Church and other denominations. Correspondent Chibuzo Obidike filed the report.
Homely at the Mass, Cardinal Obaleke described the late Ezinne Osuokwu as a disciple of Christ and a true temple of God, and commended her life of dedication and humility, testified by many who met her, asking the gathering to emulate her lifestyle. Speaking at the event, Governor Chukuma Soludo expressed sadness over the demise of late Ezinne Osuokwu and condoled the family to take solace in the upright and fulfilled life lived by their matriarch. In his tribute to his mother, Chief Basil Osuokwu said his mother's death was a big blow to him, the entire family, and the Catholic community, and described his late mother as a Christian warrior and a woman of uncommon courage and doggedness, who devoted her lifetime to the service of humanity.
The 200 years. Ogo jineme ige marata na mmadu gome. Ụlọ tọgbọ line aisole we na agapia. Anya m na ai pali ofuma. Ụlọ bi ege ezole ike na ndogba.
Ma bi ezibondu. Onye nọ n'ụka fu ebe kadinal ekwu. Osugo bi n'ndu isire mmemme.
Okay, I have only is Igbo.
Our dad.
The late Ezinne Osuokwu died at the age of 91.